if you ever need to upgrade, same socket, drop-in replacement. Memory is server-grade registered ECC DDR4. ECC stands for error correcting code. It automatically detects and corrects single-bit memory errors before they can corrupt your model weights or crash your inference server. Consumer RAM produces bit flips that go completely undetected. ECC catches them. For 24/7 operation, this is not optional in professional environments, and now you have it. Start with one 32 GB stick at around 50. The Pro tier? If you're running a rig 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and need the stability of ECC memory and IPMI remote management, this is your build. If you plan to do training or fine-tuning where PCIe bandwidth matters, this is your build. If you want to scale to 7 plus GPUs without replacing your platform, this is your build. If you're serving models to a team and need 10 gigabit networking for fast model deployment, this is your build. At $4,300, the Pro Tier GPU rig gives you server-grade infrastructure that would cost tens of thousands of dollars in a commercial server, PCIe 4 full bandwidth, IPMI remote management, dual 10 GB ECC RAM, and an upgrade path that scales to next-generation hardware. For less than the cost of one extra GPU, you're not just building a GPU rig, you're building a server. Read the full guide with the complete shopping list and every buy link at ThinkSmart. Life, link in the description. And subscribe for more deep dive AI hardware research.